Can I use two eSIMs at the same time? Yes, you can use two eSIMs at the same time if your phone is compatible. On iPhone 13 and later models, you can have two active eSIMs at once. You can use your HOLA SIM eSIM for mobile data and keep your personal line active for calls and messages. This way, you stay connected while traveling without changing your number. To set up your eSIMs on iOS, go to Settings, then Cellular or Mobile Data, and make sure both lines are active. Select Default Voice Line and choose your personal line. Go back to Cellular Data and select your HOLA SIM eSIM. Turn off cellular data switching to avoid unexpected roaming charges. On Android, you can't use two eSIMs at the same time, but you can use one eSIM together with a physical SIM card. To use your HOLA SIM eSIM for mobile data while keeping your personal SIM for calls and text messages, follow these steps. Open Settings and go to Connections. Select SIM Manager and make sure both your personal SIM and your HOLA SIM eSIM are active. Go to Calls and confirm your personal SIM is selected. Then choose Mobile Data and select your HOLA SIM eSIM. Scroll down and turn off data switching. If you need help, our customer support team is available 24/7 via chat. We're here to keep you connected wherever you go. HOLA World, HOLA SIM.